Hey, what's going on? Garrett Barry here. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make money with Clickbank in 2021. I'm going to share with you exactly how to find a great product to promote on Clickbank, some newbie-friendly exact traffic sources you can use to get visitors to your affiliate link, and how to start making commissions even on autopilot. And if you stick with me to the very end of the video, you're also going to discover an incredibly powerful bonus method that's my personal favorite to make even more money this week. So if you're excited to learn this, be sure to smash the like button below to let me know. Also subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest trainings. And without further ado, let's get started. So like I said, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Clickbank in 2021. Now, there's a few key tweaks this year that you want to pay attention to. Now, I'm on clickbank.com right now. That's the very first step, is to actually create a free account. If you don't already have one, you just go to clickbank.com, go to the top right, hit sign up, and then you basically just fill out your information here and then continue to terms and conditions. Okay, now once you join Clickbank, you're going to get taken to your back office. Now, what you want to do to find a great product to promote is, first off, go to the very top tab and click Marketplace. Okay, now Marketplace is going to give you different categories of products. Okay, you can look at this as different niches, different interests. Now they have arts and entertainment, business and investing, education, etc. Now, the very first thing when it comes to choosing a great product to promote, because there's a lot of products that frankly just aren't that great on Clickbank. So one of the skills is finding products that are going to sell well. Because if we can find a product that's going to sell really well, then even if we don't get a lot of traffic or visitors to our affiliate link, we're still going to be able to make some great amount of money. So what categories do I recommend you start with? Well, there's the big three. Okay, these categories are always relevant no matter what's going on in the world. That's health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, so let's say, for example, health. So what you can do is go down here, click on health and fitness, and this is going to give you a list of health and fitness products that you can start promoting on Clickbank. Okay, now if you want to make money online, which I know a lot of people on my channel are in that niche, you can just go to e-business and e-marketing, and again, it's going to list these different products. Now, the very first step to find a good product in that specific niche is to sort results by gravity. Okay, now when we sort results by gravity, what this is actually doing is listing the top products that are selling the best right now. Because again, the psychology is, if we promote a product that other people are making money with, then chances are we can also make sales and money with that as well. So the gravity score is going to be right here. Okay, so this is a score on average, how many people this last week were actually able to make a sale. This is over 200 people. This is 160. I look for anything usually above 100. Okay, now depending on the niche, if it's smaller, there may not be that many people making sales, but a gravity score of 100 or higher is usually very good. Now, once we see the gravity score, you also want to look at this number. Now, this is the average dollar per conversion. Okay, now for this one, it's $17, meaning if we promote this product and people go to the sales page and they read over it and decide to buy, based on the other products and upsells in this products funnel, this is on average how much we can expect to make. Okay, now this one's 39. Now, ideally, I recommend at least $25 per average conversion, okay, because that's going to make it worth it. If you're doing paid advertising where you're spending money or other things and you're promoting a Clickbank product that doesn't pay you that much, then again, it's not going to be in your best interest. So, for example, this one is looking pretty good, okay, so it has a high gravity score and $39 on average per conversion. This one's looking really good. Okay, so gravity is 148. Average dollar per conversion is $168. Okay, so let's say the 12-minute affiliate system is looking pretty good. The next step is we want to actually open up, okay, this link, and this is going to take us to the sales page. Now, this is what someone actually will see when we start promoting our affiliate link. Okay, and you can see that it has a sales video, okay, and it's giving them an option to get started with $9.95, and then there's upsells that the people will see. So this is looking good. You just want to look over it. Again, you don't have to spend that much time. We already know it's selling well, but we just want to make sure that we resonate with it and we're promoting something that is good. Okay, so that's the next step. This looks pretty good. Now, if we want to promote a specific product, we just go to promote, okay, generate hop links, and this right here is our affiliate link. Okay, so if I share with you this, that's our affiliate link. And again, if we go to it, it's going to redirect us to the sales page. Now, again, I highly recommend you save your affiliate link in a notepad. Okay, you keep it handy because we want to use this when we start to promote the products. Okay, now the very next step is once we have our long affiliate link, we want to actually mask it. Okay, so we can go to a site called bit.ly.com. Now, when we go to this site, you can go to create up here, and then you want to paste that long affiliate link in there. Okay, now you can hit create, and that's going to actually create this short link. Okay, so now we want to save this because, again, if we use the exact traffic sources that I'm going to share with you in a second, sometimes we don't want to post that long link because it looks attractive. Okay, so once we save this link, the next step is to start promoting, getting people to click this link, and then they're going to get taken to the good converting affiliate sales page. As we know it's converting because we use the strategy in the first step to actually find a good product, and then we're going to be able to start making sales even on autopilot, as you'll see in a second as you continue watching. So what is the very first traffic source I recommend you do with Clickbank? Well, this is great if you don't have a lot of money, okay? You can actually use a Facebook profile. Now, I've covered this a lot on my channel. You can go through a more in-depth breakdown on Facebook affiliate marketing. But essentially, with your Facebook profile, you want to have a good cover photo, a good profile picture of yourself, okay, not a random dog or a flag. People buy from people that they know, like, and trust. So you want a friendly, inviting photo, a cover photo here, and you can put a little bio about yourself. But the strategy with Facebook, again, very quickly, is we want to be adding people as friends, okay, that are interested in the product that we're promoting on Clickbank. So if you want to promote a product like the 12-minute affiliate system, okay, that's in the make money online niche, we can go to Facebook, we can type in make money online, okay, whatever the topic of that product actually is. We can go to groups, okay, we can open up one of these groups, okay, that has a lot of members. And here's the amazing thing. If we go to members here, you can start adding these people as friends, okay? Like this, right? Now, you don't want to add too many people per day. I recommend, 20 to 30 a day. But the beautiful thing is these people are interested in making money online because they're in a group about making money online. When they accept my friend requests, which many will because my profile is looking good, and again, it's very simple. Just, you can create a cover photo, go to fiverr.com, pay $5 to get a photo like this. And then what we want to do is as these people are accepting our friend request, okay, now here's the strategy. What you want to do on your Facebook profile is two things: get engagement and then pitch our product, okay? So we get a lot of engagement, that gets a lot of eyeballs looking at our post, and then we share a pitch to actually find out more information about the product we're promoting. So, for example, right here, okay, a couple days ago, I said $1 million or a million excuses. You can only have one choose. I had, 111 likes, 36 comments. Okay, so this is a lot of people actually looking at my post. So now what I can do is on the next post, I can actually share a pitch to find out more information about my product. You don't want to just do all pitches because you won't have a lot of engagement. And you don't want to just do all of these type posts because you're not going to make money. Now, how do we find quotes and things to post? Whatever niche you are promoting in, you can go to Google, go to images, and then just type in like success quotes or health and fitness quotes. And you can see that there's endless quotes, and you can just take one. Okay, so, failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. Okay, now I can actually just share with you a demo. Okay, failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. So if I go here, okay, I can actually type that. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. Stay focused. Okay, something like that, right? That's going to get people to engage. Okay, so then I just usually add an emoji. I use this little thing, okay, to make it look better. Okay, like this. Bam. Okay, and that's it, right? So I just posted that. People will start liking it. And then what you want to do is share an ad, okay? Give a pitch. So you can share a photo of some results. How do you get results? You can go to the affiliate sales page in Clickbank. You can actually just screenshot some of the results, okay? You can share that on this post, and then you can just write a little ad, okay? Sometimes these products on Clickbank give you resources as far as social media posts and ads, or you can just craft your own, okay, kind of modeling this one. But at the end, you want to tell people, hey, comment yes for info or reach out to me. Okay, that's the call to action. So you do an ad and you tell people to actually comment under the post or direct message you. Now, if you don't have a lot of friends yet on Facebook, I recommend you tell someone to direct message you, because then it doesn't look bad if there's only 2 people commenting. But as you get more people adding you as a friend and things like that, you can tell people to comment yes below, and then you'll have people yes, 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 and then you just direct message them the link, okay, to your affiliate product that you're promoting. Okay, so that's one way you can quickly and easily get traffic and sales with Clickbank. Use Facebook. I've made thousands of dollars using my Facebook profile. The next place I like is Udemy. Udemy is paid advertising, so you do have to spend some money to do this, but it's highly effective, especially for make money online products. What Udemy is a form of advertising called solo ads. Now, I may pop a card on this video right now where you can actually learn more about Udemy. I've done full trainings on it, but essentially what it is you can go to find sellers, and these people are selling you the ability to give them a link, and they will send an email out to a list of email addresses that they have, okay, real people. And when they send that email out, you're paying per click. So for example, if you choose this guy, okay, and you pay for 300 visitors or clicks to your affiliate link, that's going to be $180, okay? And you can do less, 100 visitors, $60. So what you can do is put in whatever link, okay? You can put your affiliate link right here into that, and then add to cart, pay, and then you will start getting traffic to your affiliate product, okay? And you can make a lot of sales. I've made a lot of money from Udemy. And then the last traffic source I want to share is somewhat similar to Udemy, but it's even easier, okay? So what you can do is on Traffic Authority, okay, which is the name of this website, you can create an account. And again, Udemy and Traffic Authority will be in the description under this video if you're watching on YouTube. You can go up to here to Traffic Store once you're logged in, and they have packages of traffic. Now, this is still like Udemy, okay, where it's email traffic, where someone is sending out an email. Traffic Authority is incredible for the home business, make money online niche. Again, 12-minute affiliate, you could use Traffic Authority. And basically, you just look at the clicks. Okay, they have the prices here. You choose a package. Okay, if you're serious, you want to get a lot of traffic very quickly, you can go up to, titanium or, gold. Choose that. Go to other website. Now, with Traffic Authority, you can actually just use this exact link here. Okay, your affiliate link. So you can go back to Traffic Authority, put in that link there, and then you would attach a card, okay, debit or credit card, put your code in, and then agree to terms and place order. And then you will start getting traffic to your affiliate link. And because we know it's high converting, you'll probably definitely get some sales as well. Now, how do you start making affiliate commissions on autopilot? Because you know how to find a good product on Clickbank that's high converting. You know some key incredible traffic sources that you can start to use to get quick and easy traffic. Now, how do we start making them on autopilot? Well, some of these products here are actually directed to a capture page. Now, a capture page looks something like this. Okay, so this is a capture page. It has a headline, and then when someone clicks here, they have to put their name and email before they see the affiliate sales page. Thus, you can follow up through automated emails that you've already pre-written, okay? And those emails will go out to your subscriber until they either buy the affiliate product or they decide they don't want it, and then they'll, opt out of your list, okay? That's how you can start making affiliate commissions on autopilot. That's how I'm able to make up to $2,000 a day without, spending more than 30 minutes or 60 minutes on my laptop. So what I want to share with you as a powerful bonus to really take this even further is Clickbank is great. Okay, Clickbank is great. You can find good products in the affiliate marketing world to promote. The problem though is sometimes you have to wait, 2 weeks up to a month to actually get paid the money when you make sales, as well as a lot of the products don't have capture pages. So you're sending them right to the affiliate sales page. And if people don't want to buy right away, you're going to be leaving a lot of money on the table. If you wanted to discover my #1 affiliate program that has done for you capture pages, instant paying affiliate commissions, and more, be sure to go to the first link in the description and check that out. You can actually watch an overview video and see exactly why it's my #1 recommended affiliate program to find products to promote this year. Well, there we have it, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make money on Clickbank in 2021. If you got value, you want me to make more videos like this, be sure to smash the like button below. Also subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest affiliate marketing training. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video.